Good morning. This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. So this is a package that I ordered from Amazon. Obviously it's from Amazon. And I ordered lobster mushrooms. I ordered dehydrated lobster mushrooms. So watch me hydrate them, because I'm going to make a lobster mac and cheese, vegan style. So with lobster mushrooms, I'm going to hydrate them back, and I'm going to season them with seaweed and dulce flakes to give it that sea-like flavor. So yeah, I take the dehydrated mushrooms. I bought these from Amazon. Just gonna put it in a bowl. This is how they look. So I'm gonna hydrate it back, so I have some water here. Put enough water to where it's coated. And I'm gonna add in my dulce flakes. And I'm gonna add in some seaweed. They come like this, and then I'm gonna cut them. Now I'm gonna give it a little stir. I want the mushroom lobster to be fully submerged, so I'm going to add a little more water. Yeah. I want it to be like right on top of each other. I want it to be have some. So I am going to cover this, and I am going to put it in my fridge. So since this is washed hair, I washed my hair. So I need y'all to stop banging. No, I'm not gonna keep asking you. Stop banging. It sounds annoying. Anyway, so I washed my hair today. I find that I'm gonna wash it more often because it makes it more manageable and it wouldn't be tangled. Anywho, I digress. Okay, so behind the scenes, I've been dealing with a lot of like family issues and things like that, so just bear with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. Bye.